Do you want to go looking for gold?
Yes, we could find some gold on a hike on that mountain.
There's nothing here. Let's keep going. All right, ramp again. I landed on my wheels!
I think I see something shiny. Gold!
Gold! Oh my gosh!
I think I can see it now.
I can see it too.
First, put the one this way, and then put one this way, and then...
All right, let's see. Hey, Soldier Fortune.
Hey, Freedom.
Do you want to go looking for gold?
Yes, first we gotta get across that ocean.
I don't think we're going to be able to make it across that ocean.
Mommy and Brooks could help us.
You're right, they probably could, but I think Mommy and Brooks are going on a hike.
Oh yeah, we could find some gold on a hike on that mountain.
All right, let's go look for some gold.
I'm gonna fly.
Oh, me too, that's awesome. Hey everyone, today we are in Skagway, Alaska. This is our second stop for our cruise, and we're gonna be taking our monster trucks to look for gold in the mountains. Are you excited, Brooks?
Yes.
Let's go! Ready, set, go! Oh, great work!
Let's find another one.
Okay, let's keep going.
I'm stuck.
Oh no! You think you can make it over?
See, this flag is too thick to get over.
Let me help you, I'll push. Oh, good, you made it. That's a relief. Let's keep going. Let's go see if we can find any gold over here.
Whoa, look.
Wow, do you see what I see?
Yeah, that's the ship that Brooke and Mommy went on.
You're right, it's right over there.
Yeah, we could just jump down.
I don't want to jump down there, there's a lot of rocks. That might hurt me. Wait a second, do you see any gold over here?
I don't see any.
Dig around a little bit. Do you see anything?
Just bugs.
You're right, just bugs and dirt. Maybe over here. Oh, nope, that's just moss. Gotta keep that moss there. Wow, this is a really cool big rock. What'd you find?
It's a golden rock.
Wow, that's just some rocks from here. That's not a golden rock.
Well, it does look pretty.
It is super pretty. Maybe Brooks will hold on to one of them for us.
Yeah.
Ah, thanks, Brooks. Put one of them in your pocket. There you go.
I have 2 pockets.
Well, let's leave that other pocket open so that when we find some gold, we can put it in your pocket, okay?
If you get cold, you can just get it in my pocket.
Oh, that's nice of you, Brooks. Okay, let's keep looking.
I found a big ramp over there.
Oh, look, there's a tiny one for us and a big one for big monster trucks. He just ramped off the big monster truck ramp. I want to do it now. Whoa! Whoa! I landed on my wheels!
I'm on the whole road.
All right, ramp again. Ready? Go.
Go!
One, two. I landed on my wheels! Woohoo! Tuesday, you're on such a big rock. Can you ramp it off? Whoa! He landed on his wheels, Tuesday! Okay, here she goes. Oh, not that time. Okay, do this one.
Here I come. 1, 2, 3, go!
Whoa! Okay, good job. All right, let's keep going. Oh, what was that?
It was me because there was enemies coming right by you.
Good, I'm glad you got him.
Let's keep going.
Okay, let's go.
I found poop.
What did you say?
I found poop.
The Those are just little pine cones. Hey, wait a second. Do you think there's any treasure down in this little gap right here? Let's dig.
Look.
What did you find?
I found a pretty rock.
Oh, that's not gold, but that is a pretty rock. I'm gonna see if I can dig and see anything else. There's nothing here. All right, let's keep going. Did you fall down, buddy?
I trapped my leg.
You trapped your leg in a stick. Oh my gosh.
It's a trap.
You're right, it is a trap. We can pull it back, and then when someone walks by, we let it go and it flies. Ha ha! Wow, look at this giant hill.
This is a very big one.
You think we can make it?
Yeah, I think so.
All right, let's go.
Whoa, that is a long way down.
Wow. Do you see this view? This is incredible. Let's keep going over here. Come on, Soldier Fortune.
Yes, let's go. I think I see something shiny.
Wait a second, I think I see it too. Go ahead, dig.
Go!
Gold! Oh my gosh, there's gold here.
Let's get it, dig it up.
Yay, we found gold! Woohoo! Pick it up, Brooke, pick it up.
At least it's wet.
Wow, it's so shiny.
It's beautiful.
This is so exciting. I can't wait to get back to the ship and open it.
I can't wait too.
Okay, put the gold on my back. Oh, it's so heavy. All right, I'll carry it. Here we go.
I can help you.
All right, push.
Hey, Soldier Fortune and Freedom. What are you doing?
We found real gold, Brooks. We found real gold.
Yeah, that doesn't look like gold.
Are you sure? It looks like real gold to me. Look how shiny it is.
But look.
Oh my gosh, somebody tricked us. Ugh. Well, hey, can you help us figure out what's inside of that, Brooks?
Yes. I think DB Cooper tricked you guys.
That sneaky DB Cooper always tricking people. All right, looks like we're gonna help Soldier Fortune and Freedom Monster Truck open this gold and see what's actually inside.
Too thick.
Go ahead and use your chiseling tools. Is it working? No. Oh, look at that. Ooh. I think that's whenever you open it, you can use that to brush it off.
That must be this one or that one or that one.
Oh, you're right. It might be either one of these things. You think it's the rainbow stone? Oh, we're getting closer to figuring out what it is. I'm so excited. I can't wait. Ooh.
I made it.
Getting closer and closer.
We're getting closer. That's so thick. I think I can see it now.
I can see it too. Wow, look at that. It's the rainbow stone. All right, Soldier Fortune.
Wow, that's amazing.
I wanna see. Ooh, put it in the back of my truck. Oh, look at that. It fits perfectly right behind him. That's so cool.
I think there's another one in there.
We had such a good time making this video with our monster trucks, looking for gold. If you want to see more videos like this, click on the link you're seeing pop up right now. Can you say bye, Brooks?
Bye.
Bye.